Hello everyone. Today let's make something awesome. Tomato peanut chutney with yummy omelette on the side dish. Start by roasting 50-gram peanuts until they are golden. Take another pan, heat it and add chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, 3 to 4 red chillies or green or both, 4 to 5 garlic cloves and a few curry leaves, and roast them until they are colorful. Then goes our 4 chopped tomatoes and 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Let them cook until they are soft. Once the tomato becomes soft, switch off the flame and let it cool down. Once it's cool, blend the tomato mix, roasted peanuts and 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste and salt for taste. Make this chutney more tastier by adding seasoning. Take another pan and start seasoning by adding 2 tablespoons of oil into this hot pan and 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 6 to 8 curry leaves, 2 red chillies, 1 tablespoon urad dal, 1 tablespoon chana dal and a salt for taste. Let the mustard seeds pop and dals to change the color. Then transfer this seasoning to the chutney. Here is your delicious peanut tomato chutney, which is perfect for any South Indian breakfast. You can enjoy this chutney with steamed rice. Now for the omelette, crack open 5 eggs, add green chilies, chopped onion, curry leaves, coriander leaves, cumin powder, salt, turmeric and pepper. Mix it up and spread it on a hot greased pan. Flip it until both sides are golden brown. And there you have it, tomato peanut chutney with a tasty omelette. It's like a homemade flavor party. Enjoy your meal. Happy cooking. This tomato peanut chutney, rooted in tradition and with a simple omelette, bring forth the essence of home cooked comfort. Give it a try at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like the recipe. Thank you. Namaste.